Hi, my name is Nicholas Gurney. I'm a product safety trial attorney and adjunct professor of legal studies at the University of Central Florida downtown campus. This upcoming semester, I am thrilled to be teaching a course all online, teaching students just like you how to persuade, stand up in court, advocate for a client, and win. And this course is Rhetoric in the Law. Now, when most folks think of the word rhetoric, or when they hear the word rhetoric, they think of political rhetoric, politicians, platitudes, or catchphrases that don't really mean much. That's not what this class is about. This class is about the classical study of rhetoric, dating back thousands of years, through which advocates, public speakers, some of the most famous addresses of all time were delivered by individuals who had been trained how to persuade, how to communicate, and how to deliver written and oral advocacy. Now, this class is going to be designed around traditional civil lawsuit, the kind of work that I do. And the reason for that is I'm going to be able to bring into the classroom, and I'm going to show the students taking this class real-world examples of when rhetoric worked and when it didn't, and to let those students know through depositions, trial testimony, and appellate transcripts the skills that some of the masters of the craft have developed over years, starting with mediation. Mediation is a time where advocates get together from both sides of the case with a mediator and advocate for their individual side, trying to convince the other side and the mediator to bring everyone together to try to resolve the case. If that doesn't work, the case proceeds to trial. At a trial, those individuals are advocating either to a jury or a judge in the case of a bench trial, and they're trying to convince of many of those same issues. In fact, whether it be a legal issue or a factual issue, those advocates have to be able to communicate clearly and effectively in a way that anyone can understand and decide for their side of the case. If that doesn't work, the case could proceed to an appeal. On appeal, advocates, mostly through written briefs, advocate to a bench of judges for their side of the case, and sometimes through oral advocacy, and that's where the pressure is really on. And so through each of these three phases, we're going to study social science research, neurodecision-making, cutting-edge science that shows us the real reasons why folks make decisions that they do and how we can ethically and fairly persuade to our side of the case. And it takes work, but this is the sort of work that lawyers do when they want to be great trial lawyers. Now, it's important to know that this class is not just for folks that want to go to law school or be trial lawyers. This class teaches skills that'll benefit anyone in any walk of life. And no matter what career they want to go into, the skills of rhetoric, communication, and persuasion, they're critically important. So for this class, the only prerequisite out there is ENC 1102. As long as the student has taken ENC 1102, they don't have to be a legal studies major, it doesn't matter. They can enroll in this class and take this class in this upcoming semester. There's limited capacity in the course, and so students should sign up as soon as possible. And the course description and details are in the description below this video. But I want to encourage students to take this course to better themselves and their advocacy ability, and their public speaking ability, their written advocacy, and know that I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.